Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. This is the first video of a playlist where I will share with you, let's call it a faceless YouTube channel or a faceless YouTube channel experiment. Instead of a case study, I will call it an experiment. Why? Because I will do a faceless YouTube challenge or case study, but with a twist. My twist is in the monetization. Instead of monetizing my content with the YouTube partners program or ads, I will use affiliates. And when I say affiliates, I mean starting with the Amazon Associates program. To make things clear for you, let's see a preview of the videos that I will be making and publishing.
Hey there, gamers! Today, I'm diving into the world of gaming headsets to share my top 3 picks for 2024. We'll explore features, comfort, and overall value. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for today's prices. Let's get started. 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7P. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7P headset has become my top choice for gaming and media consumption.
And that was a preview of my content that I will be making and publishing. For the video, I've used something called Creative Commons license on YouTube. This type of license give me the rights of copying and redistributing the material in any medium or format for any purpose, even commercially, under the following terms, which is attribution. For the audio, I've used the TTS or the text to speech technology, and for the text that I've converted to audio, I've used ChatGPT to make me the script. For the monetization, as I've said before, I will use Amazon Associates program. As you can see, the last 30 days, I've got zero conversion in this ID. What I like about this affiliate strategy over ads is that monetization starts from day one or directly after your first video. So there is no waiting time or requirements like a minimum number of subscribers or video views to start seeing revenue. The cons of this strategy is that the revenue per hour or per video is super low due to the Amazon Associates rates. With that in mind, what I expect from this experiment is something around $100 to $200 from the Amazon Associates program. The second potential of making money is through brand deals. I forgot to share with you the YouTube channel that I will be using for this experiment. It's called Suguru Deals. It has no videos right now and also zero subscriber. And the single view from on this channel is definitely from me. What I've accomplished today is making these 4 videos, and my task for the day number 1 is publishing these 2 videos. That was all for this video. Stick around for more updates. Don't forget to encourage me keep publishing or keep sharing about this experiment by giving this video a like and also a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.